Hello guys, welcome back to our podcast with me Radit and Razan. Okay, uh, first we come this night and talk about the internet and other. Is it good? You good?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so we're talking about the internet, right? Uh,
Yeah.
what do you think about the internet itself generally? Like, is it good or is it bad for you? Well, what do you think?
Uh, yeah. First of all, I think becoming this era of internet, especially with all this AI, this internet was probably good for me and helping me to do all things with internet, especially my work and my job and my things all with internet.
Right. So
Definitely good.
you're saying it's good, right? But
Yeah.
uh, you mentioned about AI, but AI itself, there's a lot. Now that AI is really good, uh,
Yeah.
uh, there's a lot of like fake information, misinformation going around.
Like Hawks.
Yeah, like hoax. People can just make videos on Sora AI, Derbina,
Mm,
or
yeah.
whatever. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Uh, so I think AI is pretty bad. People can just fake that stuff. What do you think?
Yeah. I think they just, yeah, officially that it's crime. It's bad for people they are don't know that I made from AI, but becoming this era with we just should be a great thing all about this video on social media. We just uh, don't get any trust to other video on social media. We have to searching of source of that videos, or we just telling the people the truth. Yeah, that's the point. I mean, not that things video that made from AI is 50-50. Kayak like uh, it's good for creator of or people make any content entertainment, but 50% just bad for any people, especially like
Old people that,
our parents.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Uh,
our parent
people
with
that can't
no,
differentiate between the two, yeah, from fake
yeah,
and real, yeah,
yeah, with no knowledge about AI.
yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's pretty good too for our, like, me. I content creator too, but I don't use AI to get that things. That things about
Yeah.
fake videos or make hoax or fake information. But I think it's pretty good about AI videos because you can just input your photos or any memories in that AI, and then that AI can make that photos make alive. So I mean, AI just make photos and or video or memory making live again gitu.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, just like that.
Okay. Now that's AI, right?
Yeah.
Do you have anything other like positive things about the internet, maybe?
About the internet, I think all looks good about the internet. For me, it's a lot of good things about internet helping me to do another thing.
Oh yeah, you also mentioned about your job, right? Is it
Yeah,
uh it's connected to the internet, I assume. So
yeah, absolutely.
yeah, what do you do? Like, why is it good? Why is the internet good for you?
Because definitely I work for my business, uh, and I make content too.
What
They
kind
both.
what kind of content?
Uh, I make content about diecast, knowledge about diecast, or I make content about diecast to provide my uh, marketplace. So just that content make uh, graphic pull up with that content.
But like, isn't internet gonna be difficult, like selling stuff on the internet, because there's a lot of competition.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
There's a lot of other things to
yeah.
counter.
Yeah, no. I think yeah, it's more easy than than I usually sell it into offline. But honestly, I use this marketplace just because I don't want to spend my time a lot with that selling my things, and but uh, I don't hate selling to offline store because in that offline store we can just pull up your price and then we just sell that about different thing about different price
Yeah,
about
and
in the
also,
online.
if you're selling it offline, there's also that the human interaction aspect.
Yeah, yeah,
People
yeah,
people will want to buy your stuff more if you talk to them directly, and not just like here's a mouse or something. If you
yeah,
feel
yeah,
like
yeah. We can make
yeah.
connection about other people, and then yeah, we just can make a lot connection about my stuff. Yeah, you know,
Okay, so what do you think about privacy in the internet? What do you think about it, and
privacy
how?
in internet.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I think it's a lot more safe in internet because
Are you sure? Because I feel like it's easier to, like, for example, stalk people or find people, like Facebook, where you can find their face, and all of
mm,
that can come from your in-game username from when you're playing a game. Let's say you
mm,
offended somebody, and then that guy can just take your in-game name. Let's say, for example, something gitu, my name gitu, Razan gitu. But I didn't put Razan on the game, right?
yeah,
I always put like like SEHN gitu.
yeah, yeah,
But my TikTok and other stuff called SCHN2, and then
yeah,
some of it can link to my Facebook or whatever, and then they can find my face.
yeah.
I don't think it's is safer. It's honestly pretty more a lot more dangerous now rather than
Yeah.
before.
Extra, especially for this era, yeah,
Yeah.
about the AI or anything. Yeah, but first one is come back to your game. If you use your sorry, if you use your personal data for the internet or social media, you can just keep it. Don't, yeah, don't make it public. Usually, sorry, honestly, I do not have typically like other people. Yeah, other people like selfies on Facebook or Instagram. they just post it. They don't think about risk of that photos, take to other people, make other something illegal. Yeah, but if you secure your data privacy, you can just more safer and more enjoy uh, use your social media or some selling some stuff like me, or
Yeah,
just make it content like you make a other name to you use your username.
yeah. But uh, but we're talking about people on my on this era. No? There's
Yeah.
not just us that's young and knowledgeable about internet safety, but
Yep.
there's also like our parents or an older from an older generation. Where people just share stuff on their
Trusting.
yeah, share stuff on their Facebook. Sometimes
Yeah.
people just screenshot their take a photo of their like package. There's their email, there's their photo, there's their birthday. People can just
Mm,
uh, take
know
their
that.
information.
Yeah.
So yeah, considering that, I think we can conclude that the internet can be either good or bad. So
Yeah.
that's that little balance of it. You know.
But I think the only one thing we have to do about that you talk about, we have to teaching them.
Yeah.
We have to, because yeah, like that people in our family. You can just let him share his personal data or sort of face dates, because it's too bad for him or for you too, because if they know about your dates or about your mom names, it can connect it about your privacy too, right? Okay.
Yeah.
like like if your Instagram follow to your mom, and other people see your mom Instagram, it's connected about you, right? Your Instagram. So like we have to teaching them and make more our family, you
More
know.
yeah, knowledgeable about stuff like this. Yeah, from
Yeah,
privacy and stuff and about AI
yeah,
misinformation.
yeah, yeah. Because we we can't fight this era about internet and AI. We cannot. We can just
Adapt to it.
yeah,
Like
adapt this era, adapt all about this thing, adapt. Yeah, you just have uh more to know about internet and AI.
okay, so I think that's enough. That's where we wrap it up.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's our like how many minutes? Like
Yes.
15 minutes of our podcast
Yeah, it's
talking
good.
about internet and AI and like into
Yeah.
yeah, e-commerce and stuff. Yeah.
Okay, guys. See you next video, and thank you for watching. Good night. Anjay.